Hey, how's it going? You're watching Adventure Films and I'm out here on this awesome paddock in this beautiful landscape, which you can see by this wicked drone shot that I'm just showing you. Because I'm out in nature and it's freaking dope. I love it so much that I'm gonna take you on an awesome tour around this house. This tiny house of mine. This tiny solar stealth wicked van conversion, and the most epic one on top of that. So stay tuned for the video. I'm gonna jump right in right now because I'm in the van already. I'm just gonna show you pickups of everything, you know, and talk you through it. You know, like this wicked van build. I've been on the road for so many years by now. Like seriously, I've been traveling since I was born pretty much, and really seen the world. Trust me in that one. You know guys, I've been living in this thing for like forever. Forever. Not this one. I've had so many van builds, so I really know what I'm talking about. I've been through all of them. Like I had the Ford, I had the Mercedes, I had the old ones, the new ones, everything. Like mate, this build now is the shit. I'm telling you, the room, everything is perfect. It's a mint condition. So I'm gonna start off by, you know, showing off my little solar setup. I've got about 3,000 watts of solar on the roof. It's epic, mate. It's able to charge everything in this van. Like from cooking to starting the van. I can wash, you know, I can, you know, pump the water. I can charge everything. I can charge my camera, my backpacks. I can even charge my drone. What else have we got? We've got the 3,000 watts of solar on the roof, and we've got the 800 amp hour battery system. Lithium, of course, because what else would you get when you have tons of money? Ah, speaking of tons, what else have we got tons of? Storage, obviously, like every other van. The most that you have is storage. Because of all the space that is not using up, you know, the kitchen or seats or the bed, everything is storage, mate. Everything. So, I'm sorry, I got ahead of myself. I have to take it down a bit because this van build is just so beautiful. I can't get my head around it. It's magic, mate. It's magic. You know, like I've been just talking about the solar setup and the solar roof, of course. Everything is covered in solar panels, mate. 3,000 watts, you wouldn't believe it. And yeah, we got tons of storage. Did I mention that? Did I mention that? I think I did. But yeah, I got heaps of storage, mate. Alrighty, so like everybody else, I've custom built it myself. Everything. You know, the engine, the shell, the seats, custom built, everything. This cupboard here, freaking custom built. My seats, custom built. This cooker, custom built it myself. Bro, it's crazy. By the way, did I mention the whole thing, the whole setup here is off the grid. You know, like we're not hooked up to power lines, anything like you see outside. Everything comes from the sun, mate, everything. We don't even need water because the water gets collected on the roof, you know. It's get filtered and then we can drink it. And all the poo, we just dump it. Dump it in nature because we've got this composting toilet. Only thing we need is some, you know, like some spare wood flakes and stuff to fill it back up. What else do we need? We got water, we got power, we're even growing our own food. We don't need anything else. We don't even need to buy groceries, mate. We just plant it all ourselves. We've got heaps of plants in here. It's crazy. I don't need to buy anything. I don't even need to buy diesel, mate. Yeah, I get you. That one was a bit too much. But what about the stealth? No roof vent, so I'm stealth, mate. No one's gonna see me in here. If I put like the blankets on the windows and stuff. So stealth, brother. I don't even exist. Where am I? You don't even know where I am. I don't even know where I am. Somewhere outside of Hamburg. Because I've just been to the workshop who is checking my van for, you know, if it's a camper van or not. If I can pay less insurance or not. And you know what they said? It's all good. Check out this build. It's freaking dope. And now I can even go and have my van as a camper van. That's pretty great, mate. You know what I'm gonna pay? Probably like a third of what I'm paying now. See, like for insurance, I'm paying $1.5 grand a year. And so now that my camper van is officially a camper van now, I'm only paying like 400 or 500. Just wanted to get back to my cooking station here. It's crazy. It never runs out of power. Like we can cook for days. And you know what else is awesome? The passenger seat. They really open up the space in here. Like you got so much more living space. It's so more comfy in here. Alrighty, enough of that. I just wanted to make a bit of fun of all the people out there, probably like me as well, who are just like putting out these weird van tours where they're just worshipping everything, every detail, and they're showing you every bit of thing, and everyone says we got tons of storage, mate.
More storage. Tons of storage under here.
Storage.
And everyone says, oh yeah, the swivel seats, they so open up the space in here. It's so great.
A swivel seat.
Swivel seats.
A swivel base.
We have to have a swivel seat. This is the swivel seat.
And you know, our solar setup, it's the best. And you know, I've been just looking for some ideas to how I'm gonna have this van built set up, because obviously I'm just slapped that in here to have to pay less insurance, which worked out today, and I'm super happy that worked out. Yeah, I just came across all those videos and really thought, mate, you can't really take them seriously. It's just too much. Sometimes it's just too much. And I just wanted to do my own version of it because I thought it'd be funny. I don't know if I am even funny on video. I might just put funny music behind it and then it's funny. I don't know. Yeah, so as you heard, my van is a camper van now, and so I can pay less insurance. It's great, it's awesome. I can start the van build now. I can take everything out, and in the next videos you will hopefully see a blank version of this van. I'm so looking forward to that. I'm so looking forward to start this build. And you know what I do have right now? I really do have a ton of storage, mate. I can fit a whole bike in here. Alright, sorry, I'm getting too much into it, but it's just, when you see all those videos, you're like, damn, why can't even people talk about negative stuff? Like, everything is awesome, everything is great. You know, like, I want to know what's not so great, and you know, I want to just, I don't know, it's like this cliche thing, I guess, like travel videos. I do it too, probably. Okay, so for the last bit of the video, I wanted to talk about how this all went, because I didn't give you an update for a couple of weeks, maybe. So, I've had this van in the workshop, and we changed all the injectors. And then he started the van, or tried to start it, and it didn't work. So, the actual problem was two tiny rubber seal rings. I don't know. They were broken and the car didn't have enough pressure to start the van. So that was a problem, and I paid $1.5 grand just to, you know, get these injectors done. The car starts fine again and the van build is about to start. That's it for the video, mate. And I will talk to you in the next one, showing you our wicked plan. Oh, like seriously. The plan is gonna be so great. I've already like thought about it in my head. I've got a 3D model. I'm gonna, you know, like, I'm gonna be in here showing you where everything is gonna be, and you can see it with me, maybe. I'm gonna show you, because we got tons of storage, mate. We got this awesome solar setup on the roof. We've got, it's gonna be like a hotel in here, mate. We've got a garden. We've got plants. We've got everything we will have. And I will talk to you in the next one. Bye! I just wanted to tell you one last little thing, because you might be wondering, well, why did it go through the second time but not the first time? And so, you know, I didn't change much. I changed a little bit. The first workshop I went to for the inspection, he said, yeah, the bed is not bolted in correctly through the metal of the car, and the same with the cupboard. And so the second dude, he was just like, had a look inside, just taking a couple of pictures and said, yep, she's good. And the only thing he wanted to have though, and I called him earlier that morning to see what he was looking at specifically. And so he said, a gas cooker is not the thing. He needs to have some induction thing in there. So, or something electric, and then it's easy. So I was lucky enough to have the opportunity to get one that I just, you know, borrowed for the day, and I just bolted in to the same spot where the cooker, the gas cooker, was originally, and that's it. That's the only thing I have changed, really. So awesome and so funny that different workshops or different, you know, places can act so differently, even though it's like a norm for all of Germany, I think, and everyone needs to do the same. But anyway, that was it for the last addition to the video. I thought the information was needed anyway, so yeah. Thanks for sticking around. See ya, boy!